Once again, welcome children. In this video, I am going to teach you triangle, the second segment. See, previous chapter we have discussed introduction and few sums. In this chapter, I am going to discuss few sum regarding figure basis. See the figure. ABCD is a figure. AD equal to CD and AB equal to BC. First of all, we have to prove this figure is congruent. So take two triangles according to the figure ABD in triangle ABD and triangle CBD. 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 Now write down the given sides. AB equal to BC, it is given, and AD equal to CD, this is also given. CD, this is also given. Now BD equal to BD, why? According to the figure, this is common. BD equal to BD, this is common. So according to the condition, triangle ABD and triangle CBD are congruent by side axiom, means SSS axiom. Therefore angle ABD equal to angle CBD, means by CPCT. Now see, we have to find the value of x and y. Condition of the question, we can write y plus 5. We have to write y plus 5. Y plus 5 equal to 46. Y equal to 46 minus 5 degree. Therefore the value of y will come 41 degree. Now next segment, you see 2x plus 5 equal to 35. Therefore 2x equal to 35 minus 5, that is 15 degree. So this is the value of y and x according to the question. Now you have to go next question. Next question, in the given figure, AD is median of triangle ABC, BM and CN are the perpendicular drawn from B and C respectively on AD, and AD produced, prove that BM equal to CN. Prove that BM equal to CN. So first of all, we have to write whatever the given conditions, whatever given in the figure. Write down solution. Given in triangle ABC, AD is median. AD is median. BM and CN are perpendicular to AD. Perpendicular to AD from B and C respectively. To prove, write down to prove. To prove, what we have to prove? BM equal to CN. BM equal to CN. So here see the figure, there are two triangles, we can go for the comparison. In triangle BMD and triangle CND. BMD and triangle CND, write down proof. in triangle BMD and triangle CND, angle M and N, write down CND, triangle CND, angle M and equal to angle N, they are 90 degree because perpendicular drawn, so it will be 90 degree each. Now write down angle BDM equal to angle CDM, CDN. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. And BD equal to CD because as we know AD is a median. BD equal to CD because AD is a median. Therefore triangle BMD congruence to triangle C and D by AAS rule. Therefore BM equal to CN by CPCT. Now write down CPCT. Now we will go for next question. It is given ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC, drawn AP perpendicular to BC so that angle B equal to angle C. First of all, you draw the figure, write down what is given. It is given triangle. In triangle it is given ABC is an isosceles triangle, therefore AB equal to AC, AP perpendicular to BC. So I am going for proof. In triangle APB and triangle APC, AP common because AP is perpendicular to BC. Write down AP equal to AP because it is common. Hypotenuse AB equal to AC, it is given. Now we have to write hypotenuse AB equal to AC given, therefore triangle APB congruence to triangle APC by right hypotenuse first side axiom. Therefore by comparison this figure, angle B equal to angle C equal by CPCT. Write down. Therefore angle B equal to angle C by CPCT. Now we have to go for the next question. It is given so that the angle of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. So first of all you draw the figure. Angle ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore triangle ABC an equilateral triangle, therefore AB equal to BC equal to CA, therefore angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Why it is equal? Because as we know the side opposite equal angles are equal. Sir, equal. Write down. I'm directly write down. Okay, but you have to write whatever the given in the side opposite equal angles are equal there. But as we know, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Now we have to write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of a triangles are 180 degree. Therefore we can write angle A plus angle A plus angle A equal to 180 degree. 3 angle A equal to 180 degree equal to, we can write angle A equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. So this is what that is I wanted to show. Write down angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Angle